All right, so is this the end for Apple stock? I know that's a historical question, but I mean, probably not. You already know. Apple is a formidable player in the technology space. It's not going anywhere. So hopefully you didn't take that question seriously that I just asked you, because it's not over. At least not yet. But the price action though, could we see Apple at least relinquish this powerful move that it's been on ever since May? Could we see this trend of Apple trending higher stop momentarily? Let's talk about it, because that's what I'm here for. We're going to look at the chart for Apple. You guys can see, let me zoom in, because we did the price prediction Apple back in April, looking for price to go down. And this is one of the most powerful things about understanding language analysis, price action. We already knew that there was a chance for Apple to hold this buy zone right here. We identified this area. Go back and check out the video. The proof is still here on my platform, on my channel. You guys can see it. So when the market in Apple held this first buy zone, that automatically should have told you this stock is still a buy. It's still a buy. The market came down to our first buy zone, so hopefully you came and grabbed some of that profit off, because we said that would be our first target, 2.72%. I know it wasn't a lot, but we already understood that there was a chance that the market could stop going lower from that level, and it did. So let's get rid of this buy zone and let's get rid of that buy zone. All right. Next thing, Apple broke this sell zone, so we can get rid of that. We can get rid of this sell zone. Also, Apple broke this downtrend line. So the buyers were very determined into breaking out. Very determined. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create the trend that this stock currently is on. It could actually be on this trend. Okay. So we could do that, or we could hold that trend line right here. It's up to you. It doesn't matter. Both of these trends are strong. Both of these trends currently are intact. Okay. Now the thing I wanted to do though is I want us to look at the longer term charts for Apple. Okay. Let me get rid of that one. So now the last 2 weeks in Apple, yeah, the stock has gotten weak. It is what it is. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Again, powerful 2-weekly price bar here. The next 2 weeks came right back down. Here it is on the 3. These are actually completed printed price bars. We saw the market run up, make all-time highs over the last 3 weeks, came down towards the low. Here it is on the 5. Again, we're seeing increases of lack of interest of higher prices right now. That's what we're getting. So how should we feel? This here would be an area I want to target to see buyers hit the market in Apple already. Okay. Here it is on the 4. Here's Apple on the 3. And this would be my next buy zone. It'd probably be right around here. Here's Apple on the 2-day chart. And Apple on the daily. Okay. So now, are we weak? Yes, I think we're slightly more weaker than we are bullish right now. So I think we may see price in Apple continue to trend to the downside. Here is a sell zone. So let me go ahead and draw this on the chart. We're just marking the field. We're just showing you positions to where buyers are and where sellers are. Real simple, right? So that's where sellers are. And then we got these sellers up here at the all-time high. Let's start to do that over. Okay. So now I think that the market here in Apple is going to continue to trend to the downside just a little bit. Maybe just even come as low as 210. So yes, it's not over for Apple, but I think we do have a couple more days to where the market may drift lower in price, not necessarily crash. So we're just going to go ahead and do this real quick. So that first target is going to be right here around 206, 210 maybe. That would give us 5.25 at 206. Second target's going to be all the way down here, which I don't think it's going to try to hit, but it may. At $194, that gives us 11% move there. That's it. 5-minute video, real quick, doing the layout of the land to determine where buyers and sellers are and which direction the price is more than likely trying to go. So we'll just go ahead and see what the price action does over the next couple of weeks. But besides that, I'm done. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.